Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook page. So first of all, open Instagram apps. Now I'm showing a very simple method step by step, so follow my whole process very carefully. Simply click onto profile, tap onto three line, scroll down, select account type and tools, switch to professional account, continue, and then continue. Select a category, tap onto done, and attention please, select the business, tap onto next, select don't use my contact info. Look here, showing to connect a Facebook page. Just log in a Facebook account which you have to page, or you can easily create a new Facebook page from here. So that's how we can easily connect Instagram to Facebook page.